In this video, we're going to be talking about how to track ASOS order and worldwide shipping. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? In order to go ahead and track your ASOS order, all you need to do is first things first, open the ASOS application, click on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. And now all you need to do is click on My Orders. And this is where all your orders are going to be listed. Simply click on the order that you want to track. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and track it from here. There are also other ways to go ahead and do so. So the other way is going to be checking your dispatch email for a tracking link that updates once the parcel arrives with the local courier. If you ordered as a guest, you can also use the link provided in your shipping confirmation to track the status. For international tracking, tools like Track Poliska or Posilka can be used to track ASOS packages using the provided coding or provided code. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.